Good day, colleagues. Welcome to Professor Manuel Usholadu, a lecturer from University of Fort Hare, South Africa Research Series. Last time I did talk to you about literature review and theoretical framework. And I let you know that some of the mistakes researchers are making under literature review is because, number one, they are using old literature. Number two, there is no synergy between their literature and their research objectives, and which cause a lot of disparity and lead to failure to substantiate their findings with such literature. Today, I'm taking you to research methodology. Under research methodology, a school of thought believes that you start your research methodology with research paradigm. And what is research paradigm? Research paradigm is a worldwide view. What informed your position as a researcher is based on a philosophical underpinnings that define your knowledge, that define reality, that define values. That is research paradigm. And when you are writing your research paradigm, there are some things you need to take note. And I will recommend or describe these things you need to know in form of an acronyms. You know what we call poem, and you put A behind it. Poem. P-O-E-M-A. Poem. P-O-E-M. That's poem. Then put A there, letter A. So the P means the paradigm you are looking at. And when you are looking at the paradigm, some researchers fail to unpack it very well. That paradigm will lead to O. The O is the ontology. The ontology is talking about the reality. What is reality? Then the E is talking about epistemology. The epistemology focuses on how can we know about the reality. What and how can we know, or what can we know about what? Reality of knowledge. Then the M is the methodology. Methodology focuses on how to acquire knowledge about the reality out there. So the last A is the axiology. The axiology focuses on how the values and the rights of human being can be respected and protected. So many theses and dissertation lack this component. And when they lack this component, it creates a wide gap, and it creates a vacuum, and it distorts the flow, and it is not coherent. So that is why, according to Photo 2015, it described that with what I've just alluded to. Those are the components of research paradigm that researchers are omitted when they are writing their paradigm. And remember, different paradigm is for different research approach. We have the common one for qualitative is interpretivism and constructivism. And we have the common one for quantitative, which is positivism. Then we have the common one for mixed method, which is pragmatism and post-positivism. This paradigm is being influenced by your research design. Take, for instance, if you are using concurrent triangulation design for your mixed method, obviously you will use pragmatism. But if you are not using concurrent triangulation design, you will use post-positivism. I will encourage you, because of the short video I want to be releasing, I will encourage you to read further about what is a paradigm and how is it important in a study. Some scholars or some researchers, thesis and dissertation just start from a research approach without telling us the paradigm that underpins their study. Let me pause there. Next week, I will continue with this series. Thank you very much.